Okay, and we're back. So, just finished some other orders while I waited for this to dilute. You could see it's nice and perfectly clear now. I don't have to do anything else special for it. Just give it time, and it will naturally, the water will do its work. So, what we do is we just slide this in here, bevel up, go in the same hole that it was in before. Add the 50 mils of air, and you just let the gravity do its work. Whatever type of forces may be at work here, pressure, and all that other fun jazz. You just kind of pull that back, really till you get about, I have to hold it up, sorry. Alright. Add some more air. Okay. So, the amount that you get out is actually going to be a little bit more than 50 mils. Because when you added the water to the powder that was in there originally, it's going to create a larger amount of substance. Obviously, that powder doesn't just disappear. It gets absorbed by the water. The water binds with it and creates the solution. What I like to do is I pour it in there. I just stick the whole end of the needle into the bottle. That way I don't have any blowback or anything like that. And I just take a few times, I take out some air, and just push down, just in case there's any droplets that might be stuck inside the needle. Then we recap it. You're not really supposed to do this. I mean, the proper way to do it is to lay it down if you're going to recap, and on the surface, and then pick it up with the needle itself. So now that's capped. This will go in the sharps container, but we are at a little higher than 50 mils. So we need to add our cherry syrup to it. Okay. You just take off the top. It's syrup. It's not suspension, so you just have to add it. So we're just going to add till we get to 50, until we get to 100 mils. If I pull this up fast enough, you'll be able to see that it kind of has this cool little milky texture. I don't know if I can show it in the camera or not. Alright, kind of swirling it around. I glare all over it, but yeah, I mean, it doesn't help that it's a red bottle and a semi-red liquid that's inside, so it kind of looks like it's just a clear liquid. But the liquid ends up being a little pinkish red when it's done. And you just swirl it around, just kind of turn it upside down a little bit, just make sure that everything's bonding, and it will. This has got a trip, it's got to go all the way to another facility, so it's going to have some time to sit around, and plus they're doing it twice daily, so they'll be taking it tonight and then in the morning. So hopefully this little cherry syrup cocktail will do the job for them. And that's pretty much it. We just take our label then and we slap it on the outside. We're going to put another label on here that says refrigerate, which I don't have back here in the compounding area. That's up by the front. We got the warning labels, which, I could very easily just write refrigerate on it. So I might do that too. Refrigerate. Alright. And I'll just put a license plate on here or something so that the pharmacist can scan it. And then it gives it a net worth as well. And that concludes our Vancomycin compound today. Thanks for checking it out, and hopefully we all learned something.